everyone, welcome to Mani's Fashions. Today I am back with very lovely collections, pure handloom Mangalgiri Pattu silk sarees. Check out this beautiful saree, comes in very lovely lavender shade, and look at the border with the small kanchi style border, and it have very exclusive embroidery work. Let's see in detail. Very soft and super lightweight, very beautiful saree. I'm just loving this color. And see, come closer and look at this beautiful work. Throughout the saree comes with embroidery detailing buttas, and at the border it have, just look at this, with the parrots embroidery work, very exclusive detailing work, and with the small contrast kanchi style border. The beautiful saree. And coming to the pallu, very simple and very elegant pallu with the contrast stripes pattern. And coming to the blouse, this will be the blouse, running blouse, plain with the contrast border. Very lovely saree, perfect saree for any occasion like puja wear, temple visits, and for this summer this saree will be perfect, lightweight and comfortable for long wear purpose. And pricing at 3050 rupees, and you will be getting 5% instant discount on the website order. You can see the saree code and the price on the screen. It will be easy for you to order. Coming to another lovely saree, just look at this color, pretty cream color with the multi-color embroidery work with the small temple style border. Very lightweight saree, comfortable for long wear purpose, and this saree is perfect for any age group. I'm just loving this color, very pretty color. Let's see this beautiful saree in detail. Such a pretty color combination. I'm just loving this color and the saree. And throughout the saree comes with embroidery buttas, and look at the border, very intricate colorful embroidery work with a floral pattern, and with the small temple style kanchi border. And here we go, the pallu, contrast stripes pattern pallu, very simple pallu, and it comes with matching plain blouse with the border. This saree is perfect for any skin tone. Pair a simple minimal jewelry, you will look very pretty in this. Like any occasion like party wear, festival wear, or for temple visits, this saree is perfect. And for this summer, this is very lightweight and soft in texture. It's a very breathable fabric. And this saree is pricing at 3050 rupees only. Now available in website, present in store. You can see the code and the price on the screen. It will be easy to place the order. And this is also very pretty shade in lilac color with the contrast border with fully loaded embroidery work. Let's see in detail. Wow, very fully loaded work, no? Very grand and very rich. Perfect for any occasion like any meetings or professional occasions. This saree will be perfect on you. And on this saree, you just pair a pearl jewelry. It suits more pretty. And coming to the detailing, just look at the work. Very exclusive and intricate floral pattern, fully loaded throughout the saree work, and with the contrast kanchi style border, very small border. And here we go, the pallu, simple and elegant pallu with the stripes pattern with the gold lines. And here we go, the blouse, matching plain blouse with the border, super lightweight and soft in texture. And this saree suits for any age group, and if you want to gift, this saree will be perfect for them, like for your mother-in-law or your sister. This saree will be perfect for them, then they will love this saree. Pricing at just 3050 rupees only, very budget friendly, pure handloom Mangalgiri cotton silk saree. And you can wear a contrast blouse for this saree with the border color. It looks more elevated, and you no need to work on it. Why? Because the saree is having fully loaded work. This is enough. Very luxurious and grand look this saree gives you at any occasion. You can see the code and the price on the screen. You can order. Wow, another pretty shade. I'm just loving all color combinations. Please comment me which color is your favorite. Check out this color, cream color with the contrast border with very colorful work. Very lightweight sarees and very perfect color combination, pretty colors. And each saree is having different work. Wow, very beautiful saree. This saree will give you a very elegant look at any occasion, trust me. Why? Because this work makes the saree look very luxurious. And check out this in detail. Just look at the work, how pretty it is. Very intricate embroidery work. Each flower is having different color pattern. And coming to the border, with the contrast small border, and the color combination looks more pretty. And here we go, the pallu, simple pallu with the matching blouse, plain blouse with the border. Very exclusive saree in Mangalgiri collection. And you can pair any contrast color blouse in this flowers or in the border. It looks more elevated, and I'm loving this color combination. Trust me, this saree is perfect for any professional meetings or any functions, and for gifting this will be perfect saree. Pricing at just 3050 rupees. Very budget friendly, super lightweight and comfortable, and this gives you a very lightweight texture, and you can drape easily and gives you a very smooth and soft draping. Very limited colors are available. Book it fast. Why? Because these are very budget friendly and very beautiful sarees, and there is no restocking of these sarees. And this is one of my most favorite color combination in this collection, pista green and with the violet color border. Very such a pretty color, and let's see in detail. Amazing color combination, and it have very beautiful work on it. Just look at this, how intricate work on the saree. Amazing color combination and a very intricate and luxurious work on the saree. Just look at this in floral pattern, fully loaded throughout the saree. And coming to the border, contrast kanchi style border, very beautiful. And here we go, the pallu, simple and very grand pallu with a matching blouse, plain blouse with the border. Very super lightweight and comfortable saree. You can drape it very fast. This saree gives a very traditional look and perfect saree for puja purpose and sitting for long wear. No, this saree gives a very comfortable and smooth draping. Perfect for any occasion like a party wear also. For gifting purpose, this will be perfect saree. Trust me, they will love this saree. The color combination and the work looks more luxurious. Pair a contrast blouse color with the border color. It will be more beautiful. And pair a minimal jewelry and the bangles and the flowers. You look so traditional in this saree. Pricing at 3050 rupees. Now available in website, present in store. You can see the saree code. It will be easy to shop you on the website. Coming to another lovely color. Very unique color in the goldish and beige color combination. It looks dual shade and with the contrast border. Let's see in detail this saree. Very unique color combination, and this saree also looks more pretty. Very unique saree. I'm just loving this color combination. Who want to try unique color and the different saree work, this will be perfect for them. And let's see in detail. It have throughout the saree very exclusive embroidery work and comes with contrast border, small border. And here we go, the pallu. Very simple and classy pallu with the matching plain blouse with the border. This saree gives you a very classy and elegant look at any occasion. Trust me, wear a contrast blouse, it looks more elevated. Mangalgiri lovers, trust me, you love this collection. Pure handloom collection this is, with the fully loaded embroidery work with the kanchi style borders. Amazing collection. Don't miss it. Just limited colors are available. Just 6 colors are available in this. Very lightweight and soft in texture. Very breathable fabric. Gives you a very comfortable, very smooth draping, and you can drape it so fast if you have any occasion or meeting to attend in this saree. It will be perfect look, and any professional meetings or any professional functions, you look very dignified in this saree. Very budget friendly, pricing at just 3050 rupees. Now available in website, present in store. You can see the saree code on the screen. It will be easy to shop on the website. So in this video we have seen very beautiful collection in pure handloom Mangalgiri cotton silk sarees. I have shown you 6 different shades, amazing color combinations and fully loaded work. So don't wait for this collection, book it fast. Why? Because there is no restocking of these sarees, and for full details you can check the description. I will provide you full details in this. Comment me which color is your favorite, and also comment me which collection you want to see next. And thank you for watching the full video. Please subscribe our channel for more collection.